Do you know what is the longest snake found in India? No, it's not the king cobra. It's the Indian rock python. A creature of immense size and strength, the Indian rock python, or Python malurus as it's scientifically known, is a fascinating species that captivates nature enthusiasts around the world. The Indian rock python spans a length of 16 to 20 feet. That's roughly the length of a small bus. It's a robust creature, with a weight that can tip the scales at a hefty 90 kilograms. This makes it one of the largest snake species in India. These pythons are non-venomous, which might come as a surprise to some. Instead of venom, they rely on their immense strength to subdue prey. They constrict their victims, wrapping their powerful bodies around them and squeezing until the prey can no longer breathe. Despite their size and strength, Indian rock pythons are not aggressive creatures. They are shy and reclusive, preferring to avoid human interaction whenever possible. When they feel threatened, their first instinct is to hide, not attack. The habitat of the Indian rock python is as diverse as the country it calls home. They inhabit a range of ecosystems, from the dense forests and grasslands to the swamps and marshes. They've even been found in the rocky foothills of the Himalayas, hence the name Indian rock python. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Indian rock python is its ability to adapt to various climates and environments. Whether it's the dry, arid regions of Rajasthan or the wet, humid swamps of West Bengal, these pythons have proven their resilience time and again. Their diet is as diverse as their habitat. They consume a variety of prey, from small mammals and birds to larger creatures like deer and antelope. They have even been known to take on other snakes. To summarize, the Indian rock python is a truly remarkable creature. It's the longest snake found in India, reaching lengths of up to 20 feet. It's a non-venomous species that relies on its strength rather than venom to subdue its prey. Despite its size, it's a shy and reclusive creature that prefers to avoid human interaction. Its habitat is diverse, ranging from forests and grasslands to swamps and marshes, and its diet is equally varied, consisting of small mammals, birds, and even other snakes. In the grand tapestry of nature, the Indian rock python is a thread of strength, resilience, and adaptability. It's a testament to the diversity and richness of India's wildlife.